Greenland, an immense island cloaked in ice, stands as a stark symbol of the planet's changing climate. Its ice sheet, a relic of past ice ages, holds enough frozen water to raise global sea levels by over 20 feet. This frozen giant is now awakening, its icy grip loosening under the relentless advance of global warming. The ice sheet is not a static monolith, however. It is a dynamic system, constantly gaining ice from snowfall and losing it through melting and icebergs carving into the sea. Rising global temperatures, driven by human activities, are causing the ice sheet to melt at an accelerating rate. This meltwater flows into the ocean, contributing to rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities worldwide. Greenland's fate is inextricably linked to our own, a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgent need to address the climate crisis. The rate of ice melt in Greenland has been accelerating at an alarming pace. In recent years, we have witnessed record-breaking melt events that have stunned scientists. The summer of 2019 saw unprecedented ice loss, with billions of tons of meltwater pouring into the Atlantic Ocean. This dramatic melt was driven by a combination of unusually warm temperatures and shifting weather patterns, both linked to climate change. Sea levels are rising at an increasing rate, threatening coastal communities with more frequent and severe flooding. Low-lying island nations are particularly vulnerable, facing the very real possibility of being swallowed by the rising tides. The record-breaking melt events of recent years are a stark warning of what is to come if we fail to curb our greenhouse gas emissions. The time to act is now. Greenland's melting ice sheet is not just a consequence of global warming, it is also a driver of further warming, creating a vicious cycle that accelerates climate change. This is due in part to a phenomenon known as the albedo effect. Albedo refers to the reflectivity of a surface. As Greenland's ice sheet melts, it exposes more dark ocean and land, reducing the planet's overall albedo. This decrease in reflectivity means that more solar radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface, leading to further warming. This warming, in turn, accelerates the melting of ice and snow, perpetuating the cycle. Understanding the albedo effect is crucial for comprehending the complex interplay of factors driving the climate crisis. Greenland's melting ice sheet is a stark and undeniable warning sign of the climate crisis gripping our planet. The consequences of inaction are dire, with rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and ecosystem collapse threatening the well-being of current and future generations. But we are not powerless in the face of this challenge. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the collective will to chart a different course, one that leads to a more sustainable and just future. The transition to a clean energy economy powered by renewable sources like solar and wind is essential for reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and curbing greenhouse gas emissions. Beyond technological solutions, we need a fundamental shift in our values and priorities. We must demand action from our leaders, hold polluters accountable, and support policies that promote sustainability and climate justice. The time to act is now.